Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. Today we will study excretion on page number 31. Basically, what is the definition of excretion? Excretion is the process by which harmful waste are excreted or eliminated from the body in the form of waste. Excretion is the process of eliminating waste from the body. Excretion means excrete waste from harmful waste from the body. Living thing absorbs a certain amount of food they take in order to complete various process. We take in a lot of food because we need to survive and to complete our daily needs, basic vital processes. When the process is complete, the body will eliminate the remaining non-useful wastes or substances. So after the completion of the basic necessities, the remaining product which are not necessary for our living being or not for our body, they are excreted or expelled from the body in the form of urine or stool. Excretion helps to get rid of carbon dioxide, water and other harmful substances from the body. With the help of excretion, carbon dioxide, it is not necessary for our body, it is harmful for our body, it is expelled from the body with the help of lungs by the process of breathing, taking in oxygen and expelling out carbon dioxide. Each part of the body has a part in excreting things that may be harmful to us. For example, the lungs excrete carbon dioxide as we exhale. When we urinate, the kidney filter or use less or harmful waste product by removing nitrogen waste from our body. Likewise, when we sweat, our skin sheds extra salt. First point about the excretion is lungs excrete carbon dioxide and kidney excrete harmful nitrogenous wastes present in our body, which comes from the food or the different kinds of water or different things we eat. When these nitrogenous wastes are present in the body, they are excreted with the help of kidney by the process of urination. Urine is produced and expelled from the body. Otherwise, it will be very harmful for us. First point, lungs excrete carbon dioxide, kidney excrete urine, or third is the skin excrete harmful salts which are present in our body with the help of sweating. Skin sweat for the removal of extra salts which are harmful for us. Feces mean the stool or the potty. Feces are the part of the body waste, but not a byproduct of metabolism like urine is. So urine is the byproduct. Byproducts mean the things which are produced in the body which as a side product. They are not necessary or harmful for us. That's why they are expelled from the body. But why feces are produced? Feces are produced as a body waste. The things which are not necessary are expelled out, but urine is a byproduct. Therefore, feces are expelled from the body, not excreted. Nitrogen waste is produced by all vertebrate animals. The type of waste that they produce will depend on where and how the animal lived. The type of product which we expelled or excrete from the body depends upon the condition we are living or the surrounding in which we are living, and the second point is the food we are eating. So number 1, lungs remove carbon dioxide, kidney remove extra nitrogenous waste from our body in the form of byproduct urine, and intestine, digestive system remove feces from our body which is the body waste, and skin remove extra salt from our body with the help of sweating. Okay.